Good afternoon, everyone. It's going to be a quick recap on the only trade that I took today on stock GCI. This morning, this popped, and it was a little bit slow this morning. This stock popped up. I saw it. There were a couple of things that I liked on this about this trade. As you notice here, opened right down here. This red candle, a low of $8.60. Unfortunately, I didn't see it when it was back down there, but you can see here, he got over the view app, a nice of support, and he jumped all the way to the high of this candle here, 961 and 968. Doji, small pullback. This is a 1 minute time frame here. Started going sideways, and I found it around here. I started watching it. And there were a couple of things that I liked about this stock. So around here, I noticed that it pushed and pulled back, started to find a little bit of support around this area here. It tested the same area, 978. When I noticed that, this push up right here on this pullback, I noticed one tap, two tap, and it was able to hold. I sent the order when I noticed that it was able to hold this 1 minute time frame here. I got filled at 979, 1 cent over the support that I was looking for. Push up over here, and it got to a high of 995. I was looking for a push over the $10 mark, but it didn't really happen. So afterwards, we have this doji here. If you notice a little closer, one of the candles that show indecision in the market, and since today, in the last few days, the market hasn't been so great. Even yesterday, I had to close my day with no trade. Sometimes the best trade is no trade at all, but I wasn't willing to let it run today. I wasn't too sure about what was going to happen. But I failed to recognize a pattern here, and when I saw this happening, I didn't like it too much. I was still watching it. Notice this pullback here, and this is what we have here as well. If you notice, this is what we had. This hammer here, the 5. This candle here. If you notice right there, that's what was happening. Second candle right here, exactly at the time that I was thinking of getting out. So when I had this pullback here, I was noticing that the 5 was going to close here, being a little bit of indecision. I sent order, and I got filled on $9.84 on the micro pullback here on this particular red candle. Now it was able to hold support again here at the low of this 1 minute candle, if you notice, but I was already out, and that's when it actually pushed to a high of $10.11. Unfortunately, I was already out because I didn't want to take a chance, being that the market hasn't been so great in the last few days. We haven't get no follow through in stocks. Summertime trading is being a little bit difficult with the follow through. This last few days, especially this week, we haven't had no follow through at all. Again, yesterday I didn't even send a trade because I wasn't feeling too comfortable with what the market was doing today. I took a stab at this company, and nothing happened. The other company that I was actually looking at while I was live streaming was ANY. If you notice here, it had a nice pop from the open right here at 140 for a high of 208. But unfortunately, I found that when it was already at the high of this candle here, when it was already 185, and I was live streaming the stock, and we didn't have no follow through from there. You can see, got under the view app. Pretty sure a lot of people probably shorted this stock and made a couple of cents here on the way down, where it actually rolled over to the downside. But there was no follow through for me. I was looking for a trade over to the upside, and I couldn't get it in because there was no follow through. So I just wanted to bring you this small recap here. I want to thank you for listening to this video recap, and I also wanted to mention to you guys, over the next couple of days I'm going to be putting a little group of new traders that will be chatting with me over Skype, because they have asked me to teach them a few things, and there's gonna be a free thing. We're gonna be chatting, and I'm gonna be teaching a couple of things. Again, it's for new traders, people that are interested, and it's gonna be over Skype, maybe screen screen share. And if you're interested, just send me a message, an email, or send me as well a through the contact form at traderscolony.com. You can send me an email there if you're interested. You can jump into the group, and we can show you a few things. If you're a new trader, you're interested, you want to know, this is all going to be free information, guys. So if you're interested, just let me know. Send me a DM, maybe on Instagram or Twitter, or through here, or use the contact form at the website at traderscolony.com. And I'll see you guys later. Thank you for listening. Enjoy your day.